All right, now that you have practiced throwing a few times, we are ready to play our game. Today we're going to play a game similar to bocce ball. You are going to need at least one frisbee. If you want, you can have a few frisbees. I'm going to be using all of my frisbees that I showed you in the last video. And you will also need some type of ball. Like I said, since I'm at school, I will just be using a yarn ball. You can use a rolled up sock ball like we have been using. In this game of bocce ball, you take the ball and you are going to throw it anywhere within your house, or like I said, this is a better game to play outside, but you're going to throw it anywhere in the area. I'm just going to keep it close so that it can stay in the video. Your goal is to now get as close to the ball as possible. Now, in a real bocce ball game, you would be playing against other people to see who can get the closest. I don't have anybody else here with me, so what I'm going to do is use multiple frisbees to see which one can get closest to the ball. I'm going to start with my actual frisbee, and we're going to use an actual form. So remember, we have to hold it the correct way. We are going to point at our target. We are going to cross, step with our same foot, throw, and I actually hit the ball, but then the ball moved. So right now, wherever it landed is where it stays. So I don't get points for hitting the ball. I only get points for how close it gets. So let's say person 2, Coach K number 2, is going to be throwing this object. So we are going to point, cross, step, and throw. Ooh, I don't know if I can get much closer than that. The frisbee literally slid under the ball and the ball is on top of it. But we'll go ahead and see. I'm going to use the cardboard frisbee now. So we're going to point at the target, cross, step, and throw. Ooh, that one didn't go as far. Now for our paper plate with the beanbag in the middle. Point at the target, cross, step, and throw. Ooh, it is touching it. So that would actually, we would probably need a tiebreaker for that one. Let's see how my hat does. We are going to point, cross, step, and throw. And that also went right on top of it. So we'd have to have some type of tie break. If you wanted, you can play against other people in your family, or you can play like I did to see what object can get closest to it. After you throw, you would go ahead and pick up the ball, throw it somewhere else, and continue to play. So play as much as you want and have fun.